This is one of the biggest deep dives I've seen in a while, and it is about Unity stock. Here's the setup. Whales are loading up on thousands of out-of-the-money call options for January 2026 at the $30 strike price. Some have dropped over $40 million into these positions in just the past few weeks, and last week alone another $10 million hit the options chain. Before we dive into the details, if you haven't joined the Campus Town Trading Discord yet, do it today after this video. There's 25,000 traders in there, it's free to join, everyone is helping each other win in the market every single day. The link is in my bio. If it doesn't work for you, just DM me. The renewed interest comes down to Unity's AI-powered ad platform called Vector. According to CEO Jim Bromberg, just last week, Vector has already far exceeded expectations. If this works, Unity could pull an AppLovin style turnaround. Remember, Unity powers 70% of all mobile games and runs on 2.5 billion devices worldwide, including China. But up until Vector, they hadn't really had a way to monetize that moat. Now that's changing. The stock is beaten down. It traded over $200 just a few years ago. Today, it's stuck way below that, while Unity has now beaten earnings 4 quarters in a row under their new leadership. Analysts are upgrading the stock, but retail doesn't seem to care yet. If you search YouTube, or actually won't find many people covering Unity, and that's exactly what makes this interesting. The setup gets even crazier. 88% of institutional ownership, mostly bought at much higher prices, so those funds won't dump now. They're essentially waiting for the turnaround. Almost 10% of the float is shorted, and if you combine that with whales piling into calls, you have the ingredients for a gamma squeeze or even a full short squeeze. And Unity's partnerships are also massive. They work with Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Sony, Nintendo, and Tencent. They're in gaming, VR, and even automated 3D modeling with companies like Toyota and Mercedes. But it's not all perfect. Unity has had major management issues in the past, and reviews show a laid-back work culture. Meanwhile, AppLovin has eaten their lunch in the ad space. The question is, does the Vector launch finally let Unity take that back? To sum it up, Unity is a hated, overlooked turnaround play that controls the backbone of mobile gaming. If Vector works, this could be the game changer that pushes it back towards triple-digit prices. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.